The Arrowpure APF-0300 Water Filter 5-pack delivers noticeably cleaner, fresher-tasting water by effectively reducing chlorine and common household contaminants while keeping helpful minerals intact. Its twist-on, twist-off design makes installation straightforward, so swapping filters in compatible Samsung and similar refrigerators takes only a few minutes without tools or mess. Each cartridge is built for long service life, handling up to roughly 6 months of use, or about 300 gallons before needing replacement, which cuts down on maintenance chores. Independent certifications for material safety and performance provide reassurance that the filtration meets recognized standards rather than just marketing claims. The filters fit snugly in the intended refrigerator models, minimizing the risk of annoying leaks and ensuring a consistent flow for drinking, ice making, and cooking. Arrowpure includes simple date stickers to track replacement timing, and the 5-pack format means you have several changes on hand for continuous, hassle-free filtered water.